Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to increase and phone sleep time on Samsung phone. When your phone is screen and when your phone just sleep second. So friends, how to increase phone sleep time on Samsung phone today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to increase phone sleep time on Samsung mobile. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Samsung phone. So friends, you will have to click on display setting guys. Friends, click on display setting. After on display setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Samsung phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, now you will find here screen timeout setting. Friends, click on screen timeout. And friends, now you can increase your phone save time from here 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and last is 10 minutes. So when if you click 1 minute, so when after 1 minute your phone will sleep automatic, means your phone screen will off. As you can see, after 15 seconds and 20 seconds, 30 seconds, phone screen will not off, phone will not sleep. So like that friends, you can increase. So the last option is 10 minutes. You want to increase into 10 minutes, so you can set your 10-minute phone sleep time setting. Friends, I will select 2 minutes only. So guys, now after 2 minutes guys, our phone will sleep automatic if we do not tap friends on screen. And friends, you can increase your phone sleep time with shortcut setting also. Search here guys screen timeout setting. As you can see screen timeout friends, click here direct friends, you can increase and you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to increase phone sleep time on Samsung phone device. So bye guys. Friends, now do you have any doubts? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.